Great, this is your final review, 42, 43, and 44. We are finding the volume of the given prism. Remember your volume of your prism? V equals big B times H. Big B is the area of your base. Your base is this triangle here, so I need to find that area. To find the area of your base, big B, for a triangle, you do base times height divided by 2. In my case, my base and my height are going to be 1 and 2, so we're going to do 1 times 2 divided by 2. When I do that, I get 2 over 2, which gives me 1 as big B. 17 is my height. This is our H, so we're just going to plug in B and H. So I have volume equals 1, big B times H, which is 1 times 17, which equals 17. Remember, volume has units cubed. So it's going to be meters cubed, and your answer should be A. The second one, still prism, so we're going to use the same formula for volume. V equals big B times H. This time your base is this little square down here. To find the area of a square, you just do base times height. So I'm going to do 13.2 times 3.9. And you're going to type that into a calculator. So when I do 13.2 times 3.9, I get 51.48. Let me double check. 48, yep. That's going to be big B. 6 is going to be my height, so we're just going to plug all of that into volume equals the area of your base times your height. So I'm going to do 51.48 times 6. When I type that into my calculator, I get 308.88. 308, oops, that's not no. 308.88. When I round that, I get 308.9 as my final answer. One thing I noticed that they do here is they have a 308.2, which is kind of close. So I would encourage you to not round this, because I feel like maybe if you did, like if you said this was 51.5 times 6, you might get 308.2. Let's try it. If I do 51.5 times 6, I actually get 309, which isn't an option. Which then if you got 309, just find the one that's closest because you rounded. But I would just leave this number. I wouldn't round it until the very end. The last one says find the volume of the cylinder in terms of pi. Remember, your volume of your cylinder is going to be V equals pi r squared times H. My radius is given to me, it's 3.8, that's R. My height is 8. I would just go ahead and plug it all in. So we have pi times 3.8 squared times 8. If I do 3.8 squared, I get 14.44. And that is times 8. When I multiply that by 8, I get volume equals 115.52 pi, which will be our final answer, which is B. Again, it's in terms of pi, so you're leaving pi there. You don't have to multiply by pi, and you're good to go.